Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a twisted Brusha from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the hair on the top right. We're going to curve this line around and down. Let's start back on this line now, and we're going to continue to curve this further out towards the left and then arching that down towards the bottom. Let's come to the right of this now. We're going to curve this back over and down again. And then from this point, we're just going to curve this back around and down and then out. Now from here, starting on the top, we're going to again curve this line over and down. And then starting back on this line again, we're going to continue to curve this down, out, and we're just going to connect this by bringing this line over and in towards the corner. Now let's move over on the top left. We're going to again curve this line around and then down on the side. And then starting back on this line, we're going to bring this line around and back in. We're going to create a point here, so we're going to curve this line around and bringing this over and through. Now from here, let's draw in some of the pattern. So we're going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to connect this by curving this up to that line, bringing that back down. And then again, we're going to curve this up and over. Starting back on this line, following this through, we're going to again draw in another curved line. And then again, just arching this up and then over one last time. Now from here, let's draw in a circle directly above. Let's move off and draw in a zigzag pattern. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. We'll bring this up towards the top. We're going to again bring this back down, and then we're going to bring this over and through. Now from here, we're going to bring this back down, over and across. Starting back on the right-hand side, bringing this up and back down, and then we're going to bring this across one more time. Let's move across towards the right now. From the side here, we're going to start back on this line, curving this up. From this point, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the right. And then now from the side here, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Now from this line, we're going to bring this diagonal line out and through for the face. And then to close off the side here, we're just going to curve this line down and in towards the side of the head. Let's close this off on the bottom. So we're going to curve this in the corner, bringing this over and through towards the left. Let's move up towards the top, bringing this line across again. Now let's draw in the eye. We're going to draw in a nice big half circle underneath. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that. And then directly in the center, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now for the eyelashes, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern. We're going to do this 3 times. So we're going to bring this out, across, and then down. Let's move up and do that 2 more times. Now let's draw in the mouth. So right on top here, we're going to curve this line out, around, and then back through. And then for the teeth, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the right-hand side. Now in the corner, we're going to bring this line around. From that line, bringing this further through and then back in. Let's draw on the collar now. So we're going to arch this line over towards the right. In the center, let's draw on a straight line that comes up. And then on both sides of that, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Let's draw in the shirt now. So we're going to curve this line down on the left and right-hand side. And then we're going to close this off by drawing in a curved line right in the center. Let's move over on both sides, arching this line out for the skirt. And then again, we're just going to close this off with another curved line. On the left-hand side now, let's arch this line down. We're going to curve this further over to the right, coming down on a diagonal. We'll curve this line straight across. Now we'll start to come up on the right as we come all the way over. Let's draw in 2 circles now, one on the top right And then we'll come up on a diagonal on the left and replicate that. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes behind that circle on the left. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the arms. We're going to draw this arm coming out underneath the hair. So drawing that diagonal line coming across, bringing that in towards the side of the body. And then we're going to replicate that on the right hand side, bringing that down and then across. Like we did on the bottom here, we're going to draw some more curved lines. So we're going to arch this down, over, up, and then further up on a diagonal. Let's come across on the right, bringing this line down. We're going to curve this across, and we'll do that 2 more times. And then we're just going to draw in another small circle on the top. Let's draw on the hands now. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this line all the way around and then in on the top. Now let's draw on the leg. So coming over towards the center, stepping out towards the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line. We'll do the same on the right, and we'll end that at the same height. Now from here for the feet, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Brusha from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.